Okay, welcome to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to buy BNB coin. So it's very simple. The first thing you have to do is to have a verified Binance account with your document, passport or driving license, and then you have to log in into Binance. Okay, so how do we buy BNB coin? Well, you have to go here to buy crypto, wait a few seconds, and then here you have to select the cryptocurrency. So here you choose BNB, and here you select the money, the currency, the fiat money that you want to pay it. For example, USD. For example, I want to buy $300 worth in BNB. You write this down, and then you can choose how do you want to pay. For example, for USD, you have a card, Visa, Mastercard, Paymonade, Visa, Mastercard, Google Pay. Well, around you have a lot of options. So here you can do peer-to-peer. So you press continue, and in a few minutes you will be able to put your credit card, debit card, and in matter of, I don't know, 10 minutes you will receive your coins. That's simple how you can buy BNB. So if this video was useful, please subscribe, like, comment, share, press the bell in the description, press the bell in the button of subscription, and see you next time. Goodbye.